Yum! This is so good. I think I'll have a classic donut first. Oh, that Mama Jumma is so good. That's delicious. Now I will try the oh my God, it's glazed almost. Oh shit, that's wonderful, Ella. That is so, that's good. That's it. That's Brett's donut. It melted on that donut. That sugar glaze. That is so good.
How about the chocolate one?
That glaze, that one right there is hard to beat.
Okay.
OMG. Oh my God. That's to die for right there.
So which of the flavors do you like the most? Okay. Did a good job on that?
Well, the scale of 1 to 10 is a 10.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
It's a 10 good, honey. Yum, yum.